This object should not be here. Welcome to Universe Secrets, where we explore the unknown. Today we investigate a mysterious visitor that defies all our expectations. Space is vast and empty, yet occasionally objects from other star systems drift into our neighborhood, sparking fear and curiosity. For centuries, we believed our solar system was a closed loop, isolated from the rest of the galaxy's wandering debris. That perception changed forever when Oumuamua arrived, a strange cigar-shaped rock that challenged our understanding of interstellar physics and motion. Then came Borisov, a rogue comet that looked familiar but originated from deep space, confirming that interstellar visitors are common. But now, a third visitor has entered our domain. Scientists call it 3I/Atlas, and it is unlike anything seen before. This new object is not just a rock or a comet, it carries secrets that have baffled the world's best astronomers. The story begins in December 2025, when Atlas made its closest approach to Earth, offering a rare viewing opportunity. Scientists immediately pointed the Hubble Space Telescope and other advanced instruments toward the object, eager to capture high-resolution data. What they saw on their screens was not a simple rock, but a complex anomaly that defied standard astronomical models. The initial data coming back from the telescopes suggested that this object was behaving in ways that physics could not explain. It was close enough for detailed observation, yet every new image seemed to deepen the mystery rather than solve it. The first major anomaly was detected almost immediately. The object had a tail, but it was pointing in the wrong direction. Normal comets have tails that are pushed away by solar wind. Atlas, however, displayed a prominent and baffling anti-tail. This anti-tail structure stretched out toward the sun, a phenomenon that is extremely rare and difficult to explain naturally. The scientific community was divided. Some proposed optical illusions, while others insisted it was a physical feature of the object. As the object rotated, the anti-tail remained a persistent feature, ruling out simple perspective, tricks, or camera artifacts. It moved through space like a ship fighting the current, its emissions pointing forward as if guiding its path. Ground-based telescopes joined the hunt, confirming the Hubble data. The anti-tail was real, and it was just the beginning.
Breaking news tonight.
News of the anomaly spread quickly. The public became fascinated by the visitor that seemed to break the laws of physics. As resolution improved, a second, even more shocking feature emerged. The gas emissions were not random, they were geometric. 3 distinct streams of gas were ejecting from the body, creating a perfect triangular shape that looked almost artificial. Nature rarely creates perfect triangles. Comets usually vent randomly, but this object displayed a synchronized and symmetrical release pattern. This fueled immediate speculation. Internet forums lit up with theories that we were looking at the exhaust of a spacecraft. Could it be a derelict ship or a probe using gravitational maneuvers? The triangular jets made it hard to dismiss. Mainstream scientists remained cautious, searching for a natural explanation for the geometry, but they admitted it was unprecedented. The stability of the jets was remarkable. They did not flicker or fade, suggesting a continuous and high-pressure internal source.
The scan shows
geologists propose that 3 specific vents happen to align perfectly, but the odds of such a formation are astronomical. The visual was striking. A dark rock with a glowing triangular halo, drifting silently through the cold vacuum of our system. To understand the object, we needed to know what it was made of. Spectroscopic analysis provided the next big surprise. Most comets are dirty snowballs, releasing water vapor. But Atlas was different. It was initially venting pure carbon dioxide. This composition suggested an origin far different from the icy bodies we typically find in the outer reaches of space. The lack of water ice in the early stages confused researchers. Where was the water that usually drives cometary activity? As 3I/Atlas approached the sun, the heat intensified. This thermal shift triggered a dramatic change in the object's behavior. At a critical distance, the chemistry flipped. Water vapor began to erupt with incredible speed, overtaking the carbon dioxide emissions. It was as if a hidden reservoir had been unlocked. The object was not dry. The water was just trapped deep inside. This delayed release of water provided a crucial clue. It suggested a layered structure, unlike anything we had seen before. This behavior led to the formulation of a new theory, the radiation crust hypothesis, a solution to the mystery. Imagine this object drifting through the void between stars for billions of years, exposed to the harsh environment of deep space. During this long journey, it was constantly bombarded by high-energy cosmic rays, which slowly baked and altered its surface. This radiation created a thick, hardened crust of organic material, effectively sealing the volatile water ice deep within the core. This crust acted as a pressure vessel. It prevented the water from sublimating until the internal pressure became too great. When it finally encountered our sun, the heat penetrated the crust. The ice inside turned to gas, but it was trapped. Pressure built up like a boiler ready to explode. The gas needed a way out, and it found the weakest points. The crust cracked, not randomly, but along structural fault lines, creating the three distinct jets we observed from Earth. This explains the triangular shape. It wasn't alien engineering, but the physics of a pressurized shell rupturing under heat. It is a violent natural process, a cosmic pressure cooker, releasing billions of years of stored energy in moments. Unlike normal comets that gently melt, Atlas was bursting. This mechanism explains the high velocity and specific direction of jets. While the crust theory explains the physics, it doesn't silence the whisper of a more profound possibility: alien technology. The SETI Institute did not sit idly by. They turned their most sensitive radio telescopes toward Atlas, listening for signals. They were hunting for technosignatures, artificial radio waves, that would prove the object was communicating or being controlled. The result was silence, no radio beacons, no structured data, just the cold, random static of the universe background. For many, this silence was proof enough that Atlas was just a rock. But for others, the silence was suspicious. Then came the involvement of intelligence agencies. Inquiries were made to the CIA regarding classified data on the object. Their response was cryptic. They issued a statement that neither confirmed nor denied the existence of files related to Atlas. This Glomar response fueled conspiracy theories. Why would a space rock require a classified file in a government database? Is there data we aren't seeing? Perhaps high-resolution military imagery that shows details civilian telescopes cannot capture? Whatever the truth, 3I/Atlas is now moving away from us, heading back into the interstellar void from which it came. We may never know for sure if it was a baked comet or a silent probe. The window of opportunity has closed, but one thing is certain: it won't be the last. The universe is full of wanderers, and our technology is improving. Next time, we will be ready. We will have better eyes on the sky, waiting to unlock the secrets they carry. 3I/Atlas reminded us of our place in the cosmos. We are a small island in a vast ocean of mystery. From the anti-tail to the triangular jets and the hidden water, this object challenged everything we thought we knew. Science is a process of learning from the unexpected. Atlas was a teacher, appearing briefly to test our understanding. As we gaze up at the night sky, we are left to wonder what else is out there, heading our way. Thank you for joining us on this investigation into 3I/Atlas. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop looking up. This is Universe Secrets, signing off. Goodbye. Check out our other videos on interstellar objects here. See you in the next journey through the cosmos. For those still watching, consider the trajectory. Its speed indicates it is not bound by the sun's gravity at all. It travels faster than any ship we have ever built. Catching up to such an object is currently impossible for us. Future missions are being designed to intercept these visitors. We need to touch them, not just look from afar. Imagine landing on that dark, baked crust. What secrets lie beneath the surface? Perhaps ancient dust from other stars. It likely originated from a chaotic system ejected during the violent formation of planets around a dying star. It has seen nebulae and supernovae, a silent witness to the history of the galaxy for billions of years. The data collected will be analyzed for decades. Every byte of information helps refine our models of cosmic evolution. Some even speculate about panspermia. Could objects like this carry the building blocks of life across the universe? We know comets delivered water to Earth. Perhaps an interstellar visitor once delivered the spark of life itself. It is a profound thought. We are connected to the cosmos in ways we are only just beginning to understand. Global cooperation is key. No single nation can solve these mysteries alone. It requires the eyes of the whole world. Thankfully, the data on Atlas was shared globally, allowing citizen scientists to contribute to the discoveries we made. The next great discovery might come from anyone, maybe you. Watching this will be the one to solve the next puzzle. Remember the triangle. It stands as a reminder that nature can produce geometry that looks impossibly designed to us. Remember the anti-tail. It taught us that our rules of thumb for comets do not apply to everything in space. And remember the crust, a shield forged by cosmic rays, protecting the pristine secrets of a distant star system. Our galaxy is interacting with others. The exchange of matter is constant, a cosmic dance of destruction and creation. What is your theory? Was it a natural geological oddity or something more? Let us know in the comments below. Join our community of space enthusiasts. We discuss these mysteries daily and share the latest news from the frontier. This video was made possible by our dedicated team of researchers and visual artists who bring the cosmos to life. The universe is full of secrets, waiting for the brave and the curious to uncover them one by one. Thank you for watching Universe Secrets. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars. Goodbye and take care.